Welcome. Today I'll show you how to quickly find all your starred emails with any attachment in the Gmail app, updated for the latest version. This trick works whether you're using an Android or iPhone, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. If you're not already logged in, just sign into your account as usual. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot the familiar menu icon, the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. A new menu will slide in from the left, giving you a list of sections. From this menu, tap on Starred. This is where Gmail neatly organizes all the messages you've marked as important using the star feature. If you're not in the habit of starring emails, it's a great way to keep your most important messages just a tap away. With the starred folder open, you'll notice the search bar right at the top. Just below that, there's an option labeled Attachment. Go ahead and tap on Attachment. This will open up a quick filter menu. From the menu that appears, select Has Any Attachment. Gmail will now instantly filter your starred emails to only show those that include attachments. These could be documents, images, PDFs, and more. Take a look at what appears on your screen. You now have a complete list of every email you've ever starred that also contains an attachment. This method saves you from having to scroll through dozens or even hundreds of messages just to find what you need. And that's all it takes. With just a few taps, your most vital emails with attachments are organized and easy to access. This is especially useful for tracking down invoices, reports, or personal documents you've marked as important.